Is your Android phone battery dying too fast and you have no idea why? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to check which apps are using your battery. Follow me step by step and let's find out what is draining your battery. Step 1. Open Settings. First, unlock your Android phone. Now, find the Settings app. It usually looks like a small gear icon. Tap Settings. Once Settings is open, you'll see many different options. Don't worry, we are only looking for one thing. Step 2. Open Device Care. Scroll down and look for Battery and Device Care or Device Care. Once you find it, tap on it. This section helps you check the condition of your phone, including your battery, storage, memory, and other important things. Step 3. Tap Battery. Now tap Battery. Here you will see information about your battery. You may see your current battery percentage, estimated battery life, and other battery settings, but we are not finished yet. Step 4. Open Battery Usage. Now look for battery usage or view details. The exact name can be a little different depending on your Android version. Tap it. So guys, now you will see a list showing how your battery is being used. Step 5. Find the apps using the most battery. Take a look at the list of apps. You may see apps like YouTube, TikTok, CapCut, WhatsApp, and etc. You will also see a percentage besides some of the apps. For example, if TikTok is showing 6.3%, that means it has used a bigger share of your battery than an app showing 2% during the period you are viewing it. So guys, if your battery is disappearing quickly, this is one of the first places you should check. Step 6. Check before blaming an app. Now here is something important. Don't immediately delete an app just because it's on top of the list. If you have been watching TikTok for 2 hours, it's normal for TikTok to take a lot of battery. The important thing is to look for apps that are using a lot of battery when you are barely using them. That is when you may need to investigate further. Quick example. Let's say you haven't used an app much today, but it's still showing a high battery percentage. Tap the app and check the information available. You may see how much battery it used while you were using it and how much it used in the background. If an app is doing too much in the background, our next tutorial will show you how to control it. So guys, let's quickly go through it again. So go to Settings, Battery or Device Care, then Battery Usage or View Details. Finally, check which app are using the most battery. That is it guys. Now you know how to find the apps that are eating your Android phone battery. So guys, if this tutorial helped you, subscribe for the next Android phone tutorial. In the next video, I will show you how to stop apps from draining your battery in the background. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.